Waalaxy versus Lemlist, which one is honestly better? So here's the core focuses. Waalaxy specializes in LinkedIn outreach, offering an intuitive, easy to use platform for automating LinkedIn prospecting. It is best for teams focused mainly on LinkedIn and needing simple, quick setup. Lemlist is built for advanced, scalable email outreach with industry-leading personalization, campaign analytics, and multi-channel capabilities. So here's the features for Waalaxy, and then this is the Lemlist features. They do vary significantly. For pricing and value, Waalaxy's recent price hikes with fewer features per dollar. Best value is the annual plans, but still less feature rich for the price. Lemlist is a higher starting price, but more comprehensive features and better value for teams needing advanced outreach and personalization. So the ease of use is Waalaxy makes it easy to master, quick onboarding, ideal for LinkedIn focused teams. Lemlist has a slightly steeper learning curve due to advanced features, but offers much more customizability and powerful for email and multi-channel. So the verdict is choose Waalaxy if you want simple LinkedIn-centric outreach and ease of use. However, you should choose Lemlist if you need powerful customizable email campaigns, advanced personalization, and multi-channel automation. Subscribe.